Turning on the dosing system. If the dosing system is properly connected to power, water, and chemicals, you can turn it on. The power button is located on the bottom right side of the dosing system. Press and hold the button for 2 seconds and wait for the system to boot up. Once the main user interface appears, the system is ready for operation. For new installations, the system will need to go through an initial setup process. Device overview. Once you have powered on the dosing system, you will arrive at the main user interface. Depending on the device model, you can select between 1 and 3 water-chemical mixture options to dispense. The Settings button is located in the upper right corner of the screen. The Power Off button is located in the upper left corner of the screen. When you press the Settings button, you will enter the Settings menu, which offers several options: language settings and naming of the individual water chemical mixtures, adjustment of the dosing amount, calibration settings, statistics and error log, manual venting control, language and naming settings. In this section, you can change the language of the dosing system, rename the individual water chemical mixtures. The names will appear on the main user interface. After selecting a language, press the Apply Language button to save your selection. To rename a mixture, click on the white field below it to open the on-screen keyboard. Enter the desired name and confirm your selection by pressing the Confirm button in the bottom right corner of the keyboard. Then press the Save Data button to finalize your changes. Press the Back button in the top left corner to return to the Settings menu. Dosing Amount Settings. In this section, you can freely adjust the dosing percentage for your water chemical mixtures. Use the up and down arrow buttons to increase or decrease the dosing percentage. The dosing amount can be adjusted between 0.20% and 5%. After finalizing your adjustments, press the Save Data button to store your settings. Press the Back button to return to the Settings menu. Calibration Settings. In this section, you can calibrate the dosing system to match the actual water and chemical flow rates. It is recommended to regulate the water flow with a pressure regulator: 5 liters per minute for chemical dosages below 3%, 3 liters per minute for chemical dosages above 3%. For detailed instructions on calibration, refer to the calibration video. Press the Back button to return to the Settings menu. Statistics and Error Log. In this section, you can view statistics showing the consumption of resources. Access the error log to review device errors. To reset the error log, press the Reset Log button. Press the Back button to return to the Statistics section, and press it again to return to the Settings menu. Manual Priming. In this section, you can manually control the water valve, individual pumps. Press the Back button to return to the Settings menu, and press it again to return to the main user interface. To turn off the dosing system, locate the Power Off button in the top left corner of the screen. Press the Power Off button and the system will shut down. To turn the dosing system back on, use the button on the bottom right side of the device.